Hitting that monthly sending limit on Cash App can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to get you back to sending and receiving without a hitch. The most common reason for hitting your limit is insufficient identity verification. First, open your Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and look for the Personal tab you want to tap where it says Identity Verification. This is where you'll input your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Cash App uses this information to verify you're a real person and to increase your sending and receiving limits. Once you've entered your information and submitted it, Cash App will process your verification. This usually happens quickly. With your identity verified, your sending and receiving limits will be significantly increased, typically to $7,500 per week for sending and $17,500 per week for receiving. This should cover most of your needs. If you're still encountering issues or have a different kind of limit problem, head back to your profile and tap Support. You can find answers to common questions or contact Cash App support directly to help resolve any persistent limit concerns. And there you have it. By verifying your identity, you'll be able to send and receive money on Cash App without those frustrating monthly limit interruptions.